Hello, investors. I am Jaafar Jameel, the financial analyst for Golden Brokers. I would like to share with you today some insights about the largest company in the world with a capital of over 2.4 trillion. This company, of course, is the innovative Apple. So, let's begin with a brief history of the company. Apple was established in 1977 and you can see the first logo for the company. 3 years later, Apple conducts an initial public offering of 4.6 million shares at $22 per share. Then in 2001, Apple introduced the iPod, and this portable music player was only the device, pushing Apple toward an epic financial rebound. Also, its popular iTunes service was launched in the same year, and that has revolutionized the music world. So, let's jump now 6 years ahead to 2007 when Apple unveils the iPhone for the first time. It helped create a world of app. It changed how we live. Now we will move on to 2011, the year which the man who built the Apple legacy, Steve Jobs, has passed away. The founder has already resigned from the CEO position in 2010 due to his sickness, and Tim Cook was named Apple CEO and is still holding this position as of today. In the end, Apple continued in innovating and created lots of unique products and services, such as the iPad, Apple Watch, and AirPods, which effectively target different market segments. This is one of the main reasons behind their success in alliance with the strength of its brand name. Now we are going to move on the fundamental analysis of Apple. Apple had very strong earning report and sales growth over the past few years. Even in the last quarter, Apple announced significantly strong earning, which was up 36% year over year. The growth side, Apple showed a strong growth in earning per share. In the last year, the earning per shares has been growing by 55%. Also expected to grow by 12% on average over the next 5 years. This is quite good. Now to Apple profitability. Apple's return on assets of 26%, which is amongst the best return of the industry. The industry average return on assets is only 1.2. Also, Apple has return on equity of 135%. This is amongst the best return in the industry. The industry average is 11%. Next, let's move to health of the company. Apple has an Altman Z score of 7.69. This indicates that Apple is financially healthy and little risk of bankruptcy at the moment. Apple performed really well over the past 5 years, with its stock price rocketing 400%, 154% since 3 years, 22% in 1 year, and 15.9% in the last 6 months. However, the Apple stock last month declined by around 6.4% due to some hiccups with the company's iPhone 13 pre-orders. Next, to the technical analysis. In the long term, Apple shows a strong technical analysis. However, there is some doubt in a very recent evolution, but it's looking good in the medium term. Apple's technical are considered bad because its stock price was dropping, but the share price is still in the support zone, with its stock stabilizing lately. As we can see, the support zone is ranging from $140 to 142. This zone is formed by combination of multiple trend line and important moving average in multiple time frames. In the daily time frame, the horizontal support line is at $120. And now, from the technical analysis to the future innovation of Apple. Virtual and augmented reality. Apple is planning to develop virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR devices, recently announcing the soon release of smart glasses that support augmented reality, which are expected to be released in the second quarter of 2022. Also, Apple is still striving for innovation and development, and one of the most important future projects planned by the company is the manufacture of an electric car. Although this market contains strong competition, Apple has been planning for this innovation for quite some time now. To the smart home. Apple wants to improve and further enhance its smart home capability through adding more features that will make home even more synchronized and connected with our daily activities. Toward finishing this presentation, there are many challenges also that Apple faces, which it needs to address in order to stay clear of future issues. 1. Strong competition. Apple competes with market leader in the smartphone and computer software industries, with companies such as Samsung, Huawei, and Microsoft. Second, to the legal complications. There is an increase in the number of trials that Apple is exposed to, such as in the name of antitrust and monopoly power. Apple may need to address this so its reputation does not get negatively affected. Third, too much money. It may be funny to say that Apple suffers from a lack of money, but it is quite the opposite. Apple suffers from an excess of money, and this may be a problem if it does not know how to use this liquidity in the right way. This has been Golden Brokers analyst Jaafar Jameel. I hope I provided some interesting and inclusive information today, and I thank you for watching. See you later.